In this video tutorial, I want to show you how to connect two Bluetooth speakers to your Samsung flagship phone using the dual audio mode. So keep in mind, this is only going to work with Samsung flagship phones. I repeat, only Samsung flagship phones. Let's get started. So first, you want to go ahead and enable the Bluetooth settings of your Samsung phone. Go into the details, turn it on, and have it search for nearby devices. You want to go ahead and pair up your very first speaker, and every speaker is different as to how they pair up. Please see your manual guide for your Bluetooth speaker. Once you have the first one connected, go ahead and connect the second one. So while you're connecting the second one, and if it does connect, you should see them both in a highlighted text with that color. All right, so if you see both of them saying that they are connected, then that means you have dual audio mode for your Samsung phone. And this is only for Samsung flagship phones. No other Android phone has this at the time of this video, which is May 1st, 2024. You want to make sure the media output is available. So tap on the edit icon here. Go to device control and media output buttons right there and make sure it's set to show when quick panel is collapsed, okay? And that'll give you the option to see the media output. So once you have the two speakers connected, tap on it and you'll see your two speakers there available, and you want to toggle that circle right here. So this way, both of them can be enabled to have the audio stream through it. And once you see it does that with them both being highlighted and selected, that means your dual audio is enabled. And now when you play a song or some sort of audio or media from your Samsung phone, you should hear the sound come out from the speakers. Now, in some cases, the speakers may be a bit off sync. And what I like to do is simply unpair the two speakers, reconnect them, redo the whole dual audio mode. And you'll find that it will help just by a slight little pinch in terms of sync. It's not perfect, but it's a really cool feature. And let me tell you, there is no other phone out there that can do this except for the latest Samsung flagship phones. The S9 does that, the S10 does this, the Note 20, Note 20 Ultra, all the other S20 models as well, and the Samsung A52 and A54 like and sub.